Yes, 2023 is gone. The general election is gone, but a lot of issue is there. Bola Ahmed Tinubu only only a lot of issue láti face, and everything is coming out every blessed day. I just don't know how Bola Ahmed Tinubu is going to, rectify all this issue. I I pray he can handle the pressure because I'm very sure a lot of pressure is going to, come here and there. But nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lénìí, the Archbishop John Onaiyekan, he made one statement which I want everybody to understand something, saying that, oh, the tribunal supposed to give their judgment before they swear in Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That thing is very wrong. That thing is very wrong. And the thing is, tí a bá kí ń bára wa sọ òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀, ẹ má yẹ kí n tàn yín, kò lè sí ìlọsíwájú lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà. A máa ń ṣe the same mistake every election. This election is not perfect. There's a lot of violence in some polling units, because I think around 14,000 polling units ni violence ti wà, ni irregularity ti wà. But you see, we learn every day. Even United States, àwọn British tí wọ́n introduce democracy yìí, their election is not perfect. RP election ṣe lọ ní UK recently. So we should not believe that, oh, because we don't want somebody. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, a lot of people thought that, okay, he not made a mistake, he made a choice. It's not a mistake, he made a choice. Okay, this is the person I want as my running mate. All the Christian, all the pastor, they've forgotten that the same man tí wọ́n sọ wípé kò dá yìí, òun náà ló mú Yemi Osinbajo sílẹ̀ as vice president at that time. So if this man can do this, kò ṣe pé ó jẹ́ nǹkan tó yẹ pé kò like Christian, ìyàwó ẹ̀ Christian ni, àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ Christian ni, òun ló jẹ́ Muslim, and even some Hausa wọ́n believe pé he's not a good Muslim. But ibẹ̀ yẹn kọ́ là ń lọ. Tí àwọn pastor bá ń continue láti ṣe nǹkan tó ń ṣe yìí, when you are making this kind of statements, you didn't make this kind of statements during the time of Obasanjo, because they took Obasanjo to court and he won, and they swear in Olusegun Obasanjo before the tribunal to give judgments. Same thing with Yar'Adua. Sọ pé kó give judgment before kó tó ṣe swearing. Same thing with Jonathan. The same thing. Same thing with Buhari. So what is the problem with Bola Ahmed Tinubu? Is it because Bola Ahmed Tinubu pick, a Muslim as a vice president, or what? We can't continue like this. We need peace and harmony. Torí gbogbo kìíní tí bá kọ̀ jókòó tí bá ń ròǹgbà mi máa ń wò pé níbo ni country ń lọ? Because this is our elders tó yẹ pé our leaders in religion. Okay, see the conversation between Peter Obi with Bishop Oyedepo. They didn't deny it. They did not deny it. I will play one video for you, just for you to know what I'm talking about. Peter Obi, Arise Television, they are asking him a question. You understand? That, okay, do you make that conversation? He's just saying something else.
One more apparent scandal, that's that audio leak. You might have talked about this before, but we want to sort of hear it from you again. That audio leak of what appeared to be a private conversation between you and Bishop David Oyedepo, in which you appeared to have described the elections as a religious war, and which has been seized upon by your critics as an example of you promoting a religious agenda. Did that conversation take place, or was it an outright artificial intelligence fabrication, or somewhere in between?
Charles, whatever you call it, whatever anybody wants to make of it, it's fine with me. All I can tell you is that, Charles, I'm not a religious or tribal bigot.
But you did have the conversation.
No. I just tell you, whatever what they make about it is their business. I've shown you several examples this evening of things that was said about me that is false. For dual citizen, for detention, for treason, for this. So whatever they make it, let me tell you, I am not a religious bigot.
Right.
I'm not a tribal bigot.
But did that conversation
Go and
take
look in the history of this country and ask yourself, how many people have been opportune to serve privately and publicly and surrounded themselves around with Nigerians?
See, ó possible, ó normal kíru ẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀, ó normal kíru ẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀, ó normal kí conversation yẹn ó possible kó wáyé ó dẹ̀ lè má wáyé, but ẹ má jẹ́ ká fi politics kún religion kún politics. No, ó máa dàrú, ó máa bà wá láyé jẹ́. We can't move forward like that. A lot of pastors want to prophesy, oh, Tinubu máa kú before election, Tinubu ò lè débẹ̀, ó máa arrest ẹ̀, ó máa ṣe gbá, ó máa ṣe lè. Why are we doing this to ourselves? Why Christian doing this? Why pastor doing this? I understand that Southeast, they deserve to be the president of this country like others. But, you know, okay, see, ẹ wo gbà tí Bola Ahmed Tinubu tó ti ń build kíní yẹn bọ̀ láti 1993 ló ti ń build relationship bọ̀. And I can say that this is the first time tó máa mú èèyàn tó máa jẹ́ favourite Yorùbá, tí ó jẹ́ pé Yorùbá máa fight fún pé àwa la níṣẹ́ interfere. Ẹni ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti 1999 nígbà tí wọ́n fẹ́ contest, tí Fálàyé fẹ́ contest pẹ̀lú Ọbásanjọ́. Nobody to support Yorùbá support Ọbásanjọ́ now. Candidate Hausa ni, kò ń ṣe candidate Yorùbá. Candidate Yorùbá. Ọbásanjọ́ and Tinubu, they fought for good 3 to 4 years. Tí Ọbásanjọ́ ò fún Tinubu allocation kankan ní Lagos State. But they tried the possible best to build that Lagos to taste. And that's what we are experiencing now. So now, Tabawa believe pé Tinubu ní problem nípa pé wọ́n kàn believe pé ó wà corrupt àbí ó lọ jẹ́ alájàjẹ, ó ṣe gbó ṣe kodò. Nobody tó ní tiẹ̀ lára. Peter Obi tí everybody ń support yín sìn. I don't know when Peter Obi turned to Messiah. He's not a saint. If we want somebody that is youth, somebody that has not been in government before, ọmọ Eréṣẹ́ rẹ̀ wà ń bẹ̀ now. Nobody mentioned that guy. This is the man that fought for masses. Ó lọ sí prison torí pé ó fight for woman rights náà ni. Ẹni tó máa jáde tó máa bọ́ síta tó máa ẹ̀mélòó ni Peter Obi lọ sí court lọ support Nnamdi Kanu. Several times ní Sowore ti lọ síbẹ̀. But that's not our topic for today. The topic for today is why tí àwọn pastor ṣe against Tinubu seriously in this election. Ẹ má sọ wípé torí wípé Bola Ahmed Tinubu ó pìkì Muslim ticket. So because of that, you need court to say, okay, wọn ò mú because most of our pastor ló ti prophesy pé kò lè débẹ̀ Ọlọ́run jẹ́ tì wọ́n lójú. I'm not eléyìí ṣe bí I'm supporting Tinubu but wọ́n ti gbé sójú jù. Àwọn pastor ti gbé kinní yẹn sójú jù. Ọlọ́run ò rí ìwọ̀n èké náà. Ọlọ́run ò jẹ́ kí n sọ pé tọ́lọ́run bá sọ pé òun fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan tó bá pé lóòótọ́ lẹ rí kinní yẹn ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ náà. Ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ but a kàn ń believe pé okay tá bá ti sọ ilé tẹ́lẹ̀ bá ti sọ ilé tẹ́lẹ̀ bá ti sọ ilé so àwọn èèyàn máa tẹ̀lé. No, kò sẹ́ni tó gbọ̀ mọ́ náà. Everybody understand, everybody wise. Ẹ̀rọ kan tí John Onaiyekan sọ sí. If you are making that kind of statement, nǹkan ẹ̀mí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ náà. But I'm very certainly sure. I'm not saying the election for this 2023 is perfect. I'm not saying that. But what I'm saying is no election is perfect. And even tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ challenge, they've been in court. And the way tí àwọn president or previous government tí wọ́n ṣe débẹ̀, Ọbásanjọ́ débẹ̀, tribunal continue náà ni. Yar'Adua débẹ̀, tribunal continue after ẹni. Jonathan débẹ̀, tribunal continue ẹni. Tribunal continue after swearing ni. Buhari náà débẹ̀, tribunal continue ni náà. Why tó máa jẹ́ wá jẹ́ pé orí Tinubu lè máa wá sọ wípé kí tribunal àkọ́kọ́ give judgment kó tó ṣe swearing? It's not possible, it's not done. Tí àwọn kan bá believe pé báwọn ṣe prophesy pé okay wọn ò ní ṣe swearing Tinubu, they are lying. It's not possible no matter what they say. Tribunal lè wá give judgment after that or kó má favour Tinubu. I don't know about that, but they will swear in Bola Ahmed Tinubu because àwọn pastor wọ́n ti gbé kinní sórí jù. Kò jẹ́ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ because you people have forgotten that your own time is coming. Your own time is coming because ẹ̀ ń jí àwọn Muslim dìde ni because tí nǹkan báyìí bá ṣẹlẹ̀ táwọn náà tí Christian tí Muslim náà bá rí tí Christian bá mú Christian ticket now ẹ wo south ẹ wo south west kàtàkùn pé south east Christian ló dominate ibẹ̀. Let's talk of south west. Ọ̀ṣun state, Èkìtì state, Ondo state. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ lọ àwọn tó wà ńbẹ̀ ṣé Muslim ticket ni àbí Christian ticket? Àwọn Muslim ò pariwo ń bẹ̀ yẹn náà. Àwọn Muslim ò pariwo ń bẹ̀. So we have to understand something. Ẹ má yẹ ká create religious war. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? No now. No. Very soon ẹ máa contribute sí àwọn conversation wa. Sáwọn kan tá à ń sọ. Because màá fẹ́ get idea àwọn èèyàn. Mi ò ní kí ẹ má bú mi o. But I have to say reality. Because we can't continue like this. This is getting too much. A lot of people will be saying that, oh, eléyìí ní issue títẹ̀. Mi ò ní Bola Ahmed Tinubu perfect. No. But kí àwọn pastor yé sọ nǹkan tí wọn ò rí mọ́. Kí pastor yé sọ nǹkan tí wọn ò rí mọ́. I won't say more than this. Thank you very much. Please keep subscribing. Help me to share this video. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a máa try láti máa gbára wa níyànjú. A lot of things wà tá a máa gain lórí platform yìí. So thank you so much. My name is Lekuti Oyeyemi. Ó dàbọ̀.